Prepare for the upcoming winter with proper Fresno heating. As the cold part of the year arrives, you should be asking yourself, how prepared am I for the cold season? Will my home be warm enough? Will my heater make it through? Is my heating system ready? A simple way to know if your furnace and heating system is ready for this upcoming cold months is to simply check it. See if it has visible defects. Test it to see if it's in proper working condition. Is it cleaned and has it been properly maintained? If you're at all in doubt or unsure of the health of your heating system, give a professional a call. These are some of the most common issues that heating repairs may need to take place. The thermostat isn't working or responding well. The heater is too noisy. The furnace doesn't heat enough or doesn't heat at all. There is frequent cycling. There's an electric ignition or pilot control problems. So to avoid these costly repairs and untimely breakdowns, you should consider service maintenance. Appointments are important because they help you avoid emergency repairs and lengthen the life of your heating system. With maintenance, you get experts to prevent unexpected malfunctions and protect your system against the winter season so that you can get through it in confidence. For long-term savings and protection, we offer an HVAC maintenance program. When you sign up for this program, you can choose from our annual or biannual plans, and you enjoy discounted spare parts and professional service fees. You also get priority service. If you're in doubt if you're going to make it through the season or you think it's time for an upgrade, call Marthedal Solar Air and Heating and our technicians will come by to your house and assess your home and provide you with some advice on your best heating option. We also offer alternative home heating systems like floor heating and heat pumps. Visit our website here to learn more. But don't take it from us. Here's one review on Google Reviews from Linda B. Thanks, Marthedal. I was a nervous wreck and you solved my problem. Very grateful and so happy to have the maintenance program with your company.